If planting trees is one of the important activities in the forest protection and regeneration campaign, contributing to the protection of the human living environment, then cleaning up the remaining debris before planting is extremely important. However, how to do this job efficiently and quickly? Let's watch the video to understand better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel before watching for more interesting videos. In the video, as you can see, this is the Disc Mulcher S185 Bobcat Nano Forest Cleaning Machine, one of the modern machines used for effective forest cleaning. The machine is equipped with a 75 horsepower diesel engine, capable of cutting trees with a diameter of up to 30 centimeters and a working width of up to 1.5 meters. With a disc cutting speed of up to 1,500 RPM, the machine can cut and grind large trees into small pieces, making it easier to collect and transport the forest. Moreover, the machine is equipped with an oil cooling system, which makes the machine more durable during operation. The highlight of the Disc Mulcher S185 Bobcat Nano machine is the integrated engine protection system, which helps the machine operate stably and have higher durability. In addition, the machine is also equipped with a vibration damping system, minimizing vibration during operation, making users feel more comfortable. With outstanding features and efficiency in work, the Disc Mulcher S185 Bobcat Nano Forest Cleaning Machine has been widely used in the wood industry and is a good choice for forest cleaning. Cleaning up forests after logging or wildfires is the first step towards planting, reforestation, and afforestation of barren hills after a period of deforestation or destruction. While in the past, the use of human labor and rudimentary equipment prolonged the restoration process, today, equipping modern machinery instead of human labor is extremely necessary. With their gigantic wheels and sturdy chains, large engines, and sophisticated controls, they sweep through the forests. Each step of theirs reminds us of giant monsters gnawing their prey with their sharp teeth. The design of many large gears allows them to plow through the entire empty land with the skilled control of the driver. The soil is turned over, ensuring that planting trees for future plants is done effectively and quickly. With a long arm design of several meters, equipped with sharp round gear devices, the worker only needs to press a few simple buttons and the branches are cut one by one. This reduces human labor and shortens the completion time while minimizing potential risk to people and property. It's amazing to see that each pine tree falls with just one collision with the giant monster, appearing gentle and extremely simple. With the large wheel system, high machine chassis, and driver's control, it goes straight into the forest. It moves to where the trees fall. In particular, with the design of a gigantic drill, it has never been easier to destroy the dry roots clinging to the ground. You can see each drill straight into the yellow tree roots, and in less than a minute, the machine has completed its work quickly, which would take us hours of work. The Scribami drum mulcher machine is an incredibly efficient device for forest cleaning. With modern design, it can easily move around in the forest and perform cleaning tasks quickly and professionally. When it operates, the cutting blades on the rotating shaft will destroy branches, trunks, leaves, and other debris in the forest. These materials are then crushed into small pieces and scattered on the ground, creating a good soil layer for planting trees. The cutting blades on the machine are designed professionally to destroy hard materials such as wood, stone, and metal, delivering high performance, time, and energy saving for users. The machine is also equipped with a high safety system, including sensors and controllers to help ensure operator safety. Additionally, this machine has the ability to operate at low noise levels, minimizing its impact on the environment and animals in the forests. How miraculous is it, isn't it? Applying modern machinery in production is no longer unfamiliar to us. However, not everyone knows how to use them and has knowledge about them. Cleaning up the forest air after a period of destruction from natural disasters, floods, and fires is extremely necessary. It not only helps the environment clean, but also creates new space for us to plant different tree species for cultivate land efficiently. Certainly, one thing is for sure, these machines bring tremendous economic value. At the same time, they reduce the risks in human work process. Without them, using human power in the job is extremely difficult. So that's the end of our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to have more knowledge about life. Goodbye and see you in the next video.